Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a Windows 11 black screen with only the mouse cursor showing after you sign in. First, try restarting Windows Explorer. While you're on the black screen, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If it opens, click File in the top left corner, then select Run New Task. Type Explorer into the box, check Create this task with administrative privileges, and then click OK. This starts the Windows Explorer process, which loads your desktop taskbar, Start menu, and File Explorer. If Explorer failed to launch after you signed in, your desktop should appear within a few seconds. If the screen is still black, restart the graphics driver. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B at the same time. Windows will attempt to reset the graphics driver without restarting your computer. Your screen may flicker briefly, and you may hear a short beep. This is normal and indicates that Windows is reloading the display driver. If a temporary graphics driver issue caused the black screen, your desktop should return shortly after. These steps should fix the problem if it's not related to corrupted files or drivers. If the issue continues, the display drivers might be corrupted. You'll have to uninstall the old ones in Windows Safe Mode using DDU and install them again after normally restarting your PC. Thanks for watching.